G'day guys, Deb and I are on a mission to turn this humble Aussie home into a coastal Hamptons retreat.
From the kitchen and lounge to the garden and pool, we're in for a complete transformation.
And with a parcel of land this big, imagine the possibilities.
In this renovation, we're making room for 2 rumpus rooms and a study. The biggest difference between the 2 rumpus rooms is one of them is a TV room off the kitchen. The other one is a dedicated space to the children, and it's in the children's wing of the house. The family will definitely benefit from having adult and kids spaces. I could do with that at home myself.
Here at this work site, it's been raining for the last 8 weeks, and that's been really, really tough and challenging. As far as tackling that and keeping production going, we've done a little bit of online. You know, that's the way the world's going at the moment.
Looks like a TV room / gym / toy room. What about removing?
Oh, you could open all of that up.
Taking all of this out,
Every single bit of this.
Some amazing built-in storage here
Yep.
for TV and all the electrical to go into. New door there, opening up onto the pool. New flooring, of course. We need new flooring throughout. There's a door here too. There's a lot of doors in this house.
So many doors.
So
I wonder where that goes to.
So we have a small room off the kitchen that is pretty much our TV room and the media room. That's where we all hang out. I want it to be just a place where I want to lie down and, you know, watch a good movie. The study / music room is pretty much my husband's hangout. So Greg has like 10 guitars, and Deb and Andy are going to have a challenge to figure out where to put those. He needs a lot of storage for all of his pedals and all of his gear. So he's really looking forward to that.
Andy, the move that we made in this room that's made an incredible difference is taking that whole wall out. So it's one big space now. We open the doorway up, but we're actually putting doors in there so they can be closed for privacy. They're going to watch movies, hang out. We've got a doorway there which accesses a beautiful backyard. You can see those views.
Oh my God, they could do anything in here. Put a massive TV in here, a couple of bean bags, a big lounge. So we're standing in what used to be like a family room, rumpusy type of room where families would come and reading. And but now, guess what it is going to become? Office / media, music, man cavey type of, where men can come and eat hamburgers and play electric guitars like.
What Andy's saying is this has to be a really versatile space. It's going to be used for lots of different things. And the vibe that we are trying to bring to this space is a little bit dark and moody.
Ooh, dark and moody. I love dark and moody. Yep.
Greg's room.
Are you serious? When you think of a man cave, you think of something like this.
Yeah.
Check the guitars out. Look at all of these axes.
Well, Greg's a musician and he had such a beautiful collection of guitars, so we thought it was perfect for that wall. And don't they look stunning?
They look stunning.
Colours
Some really
are
nice
amazing.
guitars there too.
And we also added in some deeper colours, obviously. The black cabinetry, because
it's manly.
It is, yeah. You know, we've got the beautiful soft cream layers of carpet. He's got his remote control blinds. He'll probably never leave this space, to be honest.
Why would you?
In Greg's study, we selected Luxaflex Pirouette soft shutters. They filter the light that comes into the room and create a softer, more ambient feel than regular blinds or shutters.
And all of his personal belongings in here too.
Do you know what I love? I love this chair. I love it. I love when people come in, he can go like, "Hello, Mr. Bond. I've been expecting you."
The hallway leading into the kids' rumpus room is quite narrow and dark. To overcome this darkness, we added double glass doors from Hume Doors. This way the light filters into the hallway and it creates the open light feel that we wanted.
If my parents said you can have this room to play in as a rumpus room when I was a young boy, I'd be like, see you in a few years.
We've taken a wall out, remember? This was divided by the big wall, so opened this space up and given them heaps of room. We've got a sitting area over here with the television. They can watch movies, and then a games area here. I think this room's a favourite of mine. I really love this space.
It's up there. It's in my top 10.
Yeah.
How many rooms in the house?
Yeah, there's a lot of rooms in the house. And also they've got that doorway out to the pool and the outdoor area. It is really a perfect space for kids in here.
Oh,
Look at this one, Andy.
here it is.
This is actually, it's quite a small room, so the challenge was to make it really functional without making it look overcrowded.
Of course.
So adding in all the beautiful built-in cabinetry worked really well.
Stunning.
Telly on the wall, a lounge
Beautiful.
that, you know, takes up most of this wall.
Yeah.
So you can just sit back, relax.
We installed Luxaflex duet shades in the media room that completely block out the light so the family can watch movies any time of the day.
Beautiful detail on there, isn't it? And I love the shelves as well.
Throughout the house, we selected the Hamptons Ham 1 door from Hume. It's elegant and it brings in a touch of coastal to the home. They work beautifully with the Ivory brass hinges and door handles that we selected. And together, the brass against the crisp white door is a match made in heaven. Our next episode is our final episode for House 1, and we would love you guys to tune in. We overhaul the pool, the exterior and the backyard. Don't miss it.